Hi, welcome to Skill Tree. In this session, we're going to discuss about NeoLoad's non-privilege mode. I'm going to launch NeoLoad. Going to start it on NeoLoad. Okay. As soon as I launch this, I'm getting a pop-up. There is a warning dialog box. What it says is NeoLoad has been started in a non-privilege mode. What this means is this mode has certain limitations or certain features are unavailable in this mode. The listed features like advanced WAN emulation, which is the network emulation on the LG, is not available. Recording RTMP applications and applications in tunnel mode is not available. This is because the user does not have the necessary privileges. That is, if the user is not an administrator, NeoLoad will always start in a non-privilege mode. Or by default, nowadays, NeoLoad is just starting in a non-privilege mode. How do we overcome this issue? One is to gain administrator rights to the user and start the NeoLoad as an administrator. Okay. As far as this machine is concerned, this user is an administrator user. So I'm going to restart NeoLoad as an administrator. Just close this. Right click, run as administrator. Just hit on yes. Okay. The same warning dialog box did not open up this time because I have run NeoLoad as an administrator. Some of you may find this issue in your work machine. So you would need to either get an administrator access. Some of the clients would not give you administrator access. So in that case, you can request for an elevated access. Elevated access is a full privileged access for certain applications. You can put this request to the IT support team and they'll be able to provide you with the elevated access only for NeoLoad and you'll be able to work with it. And even with the non-privilege mode, all the features will be enabled. You'll be able to record, develop, do all the activities that you would do in a privilege mode. So there won't be any major difference between this non-privilege mode and privilege mode. But still, at times you might face some issues. In that case, you can always raise a request with the IT support team to either get you the administrator access or elevated access only for NeoLoad. And that is the non-privilege mode. Check description for the course offerings. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp us at the given number or in the given email address.